Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to round your continuous variable. So continuous variable maybe in decimal points, so you get rid of the decimal points and you may want to make it a round number. So how we do it, so I'll write a command called replace. We're gonna round the variable weight. So okay, before we do that, you can least weight in 1 by 10 first 10 observations. So you can see that this is there's 2 decimal points, so we're going to make it round, so without decimal points. So what we're going to go do is replace and weight. The variable is weight, and then you type equal round parenthesis weight comma 1.0 and parenthesis n, and hit enter. So 1253 real changes have been made. So you can see this again, and you will find that there's no decimal points anymore because we specified that it's a whole number 1.0. But if you say that if you, for example, if you need to reduce it down to like 1 decimal point, you can write 0.1. okay, so after the decimal you say 1, that means 1 decimal point. So if you want that way, but I wanted the whole number, so I did this way. So thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment below if this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.